Hi there, we put our GEAC back in the window today. It is beeping and the filter light is blinking. We cleaned the filter but cannot reset the filter light. The AC beeps continuously and will not run for more than 30 seconds.
Do you know the model of your GEAC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
UK24DZH1, we have never replaced the filter. We bought the unit in August of last year and put it away for the year in September, so it was used for maybe 2 months.
How long has this been going on with your GE air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
We put it in the window this afternoon. We had no issues last year. We have tried resetting the filter button, cleaning the filter, resetting the plug. We also tried to connect it to our Wi-Fi, but the app says it cannot be found.
Is there anything else the HVAC tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I think that covers everything.
Hi, my name is Tamar. I'm your personal HVAC/appliance expert on JustAnswer. First of all, I would like to thank you for using JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Please afford me the same patience I will afford you when it comes to responding. I will do my best. Am human, may be in the field, and cannot respond instantaneously.
Thank you for your help, Tamar. Please take your time.
Does it flash any error codes, like 88 for example?
It does flash 88.
Does the unit make any noise? Have you tried power cycling it?
It will turn on like it's running for less than 30 seconds then shut off. I'm not sure what power cycling is.
Turning power off and on via the plug.
We have tried that. We have also reset the plug multiple times.
Okay, the flashing 88 could mean a couple things. 1. The compressor is overamping or struggling, could be due to a dirty condenser or bad start component. 2. One of the thermistors, temp sensors has failed. 3. The board has failed. Is the coil clean?
The coils are clean. Sounds like maybe we need someone from GE to come out and troubleshoot the parts? We only used this for about 2 months last year after purchasing it, before storing it for the winter.
If it's 2 months old, it is certainly under warranty. For window units, they generally don't bother repairing, but they will in all likelihood send you a replacement unit if you file a claim with them.
We bought it in August of last year. We only used it for 2 months before storing it. But it's under a year old. Okay, I will give them a call tomorrow when they're open. Was hoping it would be an easy fix. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.